Using an American Express gift card on Shein is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, make sure you have a valid American Express gift card with a sufficient balance to cover your purchase. First, go to the Shein website and browse through the various categories to select the items you want to purchase. Once you have selected your items, click on the shopping bag icon to proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will be asked to enter your shipping address and other details. Fill in the required information carefully and click on the Continue button. Next, you will be taken to the payment page where you can select your payment method. Click on the credit or debit card option and then select American Express as your card type. Now, enter the gift card details including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The card number is the 15-digit number on the front of the card. The expiration date is the month and year printed on the card. And the security code is the 4-digit number on the back of the card. After entering the gift card details, click on the Apply button to proceed. If the gift card balance is sufficient to cover your purchase, the amount will be deducted from the gift card and you will be asked to enter your billing address. If the gift card balance is not sufficient to cover your purchase, you will be given the option to use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. Once you have completed the payment process, you will receive an order confirmation email from Shein with the details of your purchase. It is essential to note that American Express gift cards can only be used for online purchases and cannot be used in store. Also, make sure to keep track of your gift card balance to avoid any declined transactions. By following these simple steps, you can easily use your American Express gift card on Shein and enjoy a seamless shopping experience. Remember to always check the gift card balance and expiration date before making a purchase to avoid any issues.